You're good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on, I'm fighting.
Come on. There you go.
Good?
Yep. Secure.
That's good.
Good? Just want to pick one up. No, this looks more like a grape. Resources. Yeah, that way looks more. Or I guess maybe we could go here. There is a trail. Yeah. Once we get up to this tree. Holy sh**. This is dope. Look at this. Holy sh**. Oh sh**. All right. There's these branches here. Or these roots.
Can you hold it for me? Get up.
I gotcha. Throw it up. Okay. Careful on your step there, that goes down. Yeah, there you go. You're good. Holy these are wiry as fuck. Oh, you're good, you're good. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Should have maybe wore some sweatpants. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow. Look at that. That's where we came from. That town right there, holy okay. Wow. Oh my gosh.
You know what's down there?
Huh?
Down there.
We're good. This literally, if you go to the left too much.
That's why I'm like not looking off. That shit is scary.
Like rock climbing, bro.
Oh, there's a rope.
There is.
There's a rope and a branch on the left.
Alright, use a rope.
Is on the right.
Oh, okay. Nice. Whoever did that, clutch. You're good. You're doing good. Yeah. Oh wow. Get some right there. Very good. Because those were sharp, jagged rocks. So I feel like you couldn't really step anywhere safely. At least here you could step. So even if you fell just a little bit, you could break something. Like crouching lion. Where the fuck did I get this cut from? Jesus. Are you good? Oh, what are these? They feel funny. This is a weird ass tree.
Oh, there's berries on this one.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Eat it.
Small ones. I'm not eating them.
Oh, careful there. You good? Nice. Holy f***. This is dope. Good. Oh, it's good, guys. It's good. I think that's the worst of it up there. I think up there. Good? Here, hold my hand.
You're good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on, I'm fighting, I'm fighting.
Here. Okay. Okay, be careful here. Alright. You want to go first or me? Yeah, be careful. Oh yeah, this... That soil's loose. Yeah. Make sure to test out where you're stepping before you step. There you go. There you go, slow and steady. Oh, you got it. You got it. If you feel like you don't need the rope, you don't have to use it.
No, I need it.
Okay. Whew. Nice.
Maybe you should.
Me? Okay.
Just don't go too far.
Okay, I won't. Give me 1 sec. Thank you. All right.
That even helped.
No, it did. It did. There you go. Come on. I gotcha. Nice. Good. All right. Hold on. Because this is really loose. All right. We're almost there. All right. A few more of these. I think going down is going to be a lot scarier.
Yeah.
But, all right. Literally just, all right. 1, 2, 3, run up. 1, 2, 3, run up, run up, run up, run up, run up. Okay. There. I got you. 1, 2. Good?
No, not yet.
Come on. There you go. There you go. All right. We're right there. I could see the top. We're right here. All right, watch out. There might be some rocks that'll fall. Oh, shit. Okay. I got you. There you go. Yep. There you go. Oh, shit. Oh shit. I think that's got to be the toughest part. All right, we're good. We're good. Holy shit. Holy shit. How was it, babe? Now we got some trail mix as a treat. We're gonna finish this and then continue the hike. What time is it? 11:30. I feel like we get there by 12. Trail mix. Can I get one?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
A reward. Yeah, that was pretty safe.
The walk back is honestly really nice. Just like the view itself, you know?
That's where like most of the
Yeah.